Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the problem of ad suitability restriction on your YouTube videos. So guys, if you have the ad suitability restriction on any of your YouTube videos, it means that those YouTube videos may earn limited or no ad revenue at all due to some content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. So whenever your YouTube videos have ad suitability restrictions, it means that your YouTube videos contain content that most advertisers don't like. Most advertisers are picky with the kind of videos that their ad are being placed on, so they tell YouTube not to place their advertisements on certain kind of videos. Maybe your YouTube videos contain such kind of content that most advertisers don't like. That's why YouTube is actually tagging your video with this ad suitability restriction. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix it. It's actually easy. So if you want to know how to do it, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be using the YouTube Studio app. I'm not going to be going online or using the YouTube Studio web. So if you don't have the YouTube Studio app, what you have to do is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store, then you download and install the YouTube Studio app into your phone. So guys, once you've done that, then we're good to go. So guys, now let me tap on my YouTube Studio right away. So guys, once you open up your YouTube Studio app, what you have to do now is to look for the content that has that ad suitability restriction. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on content. You can see where content is showing. So let me tap on content. So guys, the ad suitability restriction can be in your long YouTube videos or in your YouTube shorts. So whichever one does, go over to the area. So as it stands now, I don't have any ad suitability restriction on any of my long YouTube videos, but I have in my YouTube shorts. So let me tap on shorts. So guys, now you can see the video at the top. It has the ad suitability restriction. So guys can see it there. So let me tap on it. So guys, now for you to actually fix this ad suitability restriction, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written ad suitability restriction. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this is all you need to know about the ad suitability restriction. Let me scroll downwards now. So guys, now you can see what is written there, ad suitability. Let me get to read this out loud. This video may earn limited or no ad revenue due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. We use a combination of automated systems and human reviews to detect violations of our advertiser-friendly content guidelines. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. So guys, now you can see that's what you need to know. So guys, this will let you know that even if your video has this ad suitability restriction, your video is still on public, people are actually viewing it, and also you can earn from subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. But when it comes to the normal YouTube revenue, you may likely earn limited or even no revenue at all. So guys, now the next step you need to take now is to tap on where you can see request review. But before I do that, in case you want to learn more about this ad suitability, you can tap on where it is written learn more. You can see it there. Let me just tap on it to show you guys something. Let me tap on it right away. I'm going to come back to this place. So guys, this is where you're going to find a more comprehensive and detailed article on these ad suitability restrictions. Let me go over to the most important thing. Let me scroll downward. Where is it? So guys, let me make a list of the kind of content that when YouTube find them contained in your video, we tag your video as having the ad suitability restriction. So guys, the first kind of content is violence. You can see there, violence. Content where focal point is on blood, violence or injury when presented without other context is not suitable for advertising. Let me go over to the next kind of content, adult content. Content that features highly sexualized content in the title or thumbnail or highly sexualized theme is not suitable for advertisement. Let me go over to the next one, shocking content. Content that may upset, disgust or shock viewers may not be suitable for advertising. Let me go over to the next one, harmful acts and unreliable content. Content that promotes harmful or dangerous acts resulting in serious physical, emotional or psychological injury is not suitable for advertisement. Over to the next one, hateful and derogatory content. Content that incites hatred against, promotes discrimination, disparages or humiliates an individual or group of people is not suitable for advertising. So guys, over to the next one, recreational drugs or drugs related content. Content that promotes or features the sales, use or abuse of illegal drugs, regulated legal drugs or substances or other dangerous products is not suitable for advertising. So guys, over to the next one, firearms related content. Content focused on the sales, assembly, abuse or misuse of rare and fake firearms is not suitable for advertising. Over to the next one, controversial issues. Controversial issues are topics that may not be settling for viewers, which are often the result of human tragedy. This policy applies even if the content is purely commentary or contains no graphic images. So guys, let me go over to the next one. Next one is sensitive event. Then over to the next one, enabling dishonest behavior. Content glorifying or promoting dishonest behavior such as trespassing, cheating or computer hacking that is not personal or paid for. So guys, let me go over to the next one. Inappropriate content for kids and family. Content that is made for kids must be appropriate for a family audience in order to monetize on YouTube. So guys, let me go over to the next one. Tobacco related content. Content that promotes tobacco and tobacco related products is not suitable for advertisement. And over to the last one, incendiary and demeaning content. So guys, these are the kind of content that when found in your YouTube videos, YouTube will have to tag your video with the ad suitability restriction. So guys, let me go back now to show you guys how you can actually fix this problem. Let me go back to my YouTube studio where I was before I came to this place. So guys, now you can see I'm back to where we were before. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written request review. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here, request human review. If you are certain that your video, thumbnail and metadata meet YouTube advertisers friendly guidelines, you can request a human review. We prioritize reviews based on a number of signals. So guys, what you have to do now is to check that box there. You have to mark that box. You can see where the arrow is pointing at it. You have to mark and check that box to agree to the fact that you have checked your video and your video satisfies the YouTube advertiser friendly guideline. So guys, what you have to do now is to check the box. So let me check the box right away. Let me tap on it. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written submit request. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see submitting. So guys, now you can see request submitted. So guys, now requests have been submitted. So guys, what you have to do now is to wait patiently for YouTube to actually reply you. YouTube will reply you through an email. YouTube will reply you through an email sent to you to your email address. So guys, you have to wait for some time. It may take some hours or even a day or even 2 days depending on how YouTube is quick to reply to you. So guys, what you have to do now is to look out for the email. The email will tell you if the ad suitability restrictions has been removed or not. If it has been removed, you will see it there. If it hasn't been removed, you will also see it there. You can also come to your YouTube studio from time to time to see if the ad suitability restriction has been removed. If it has been removed, you will not see the ad suitability. You will see restrictions, none. That means no restriction. So guys, now let me go over to my email now to show you guys the email that was sent to me after I waited for a day. So guys, now let me go over to my email. Let me tap on my Gmail app. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now I can see the email that was sent to me there. The arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see what is written there. Your video is suitable for all advertisers. Great news! After manually reviewing your video, we have determined that it is suitable for all advertisers. Yours sincerely, YouTube team. So guys, now you can see this is the email that I received telling me that the ad suitability restriction has been removed from my video. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can fix the problem of ad suitability restrictions on your YouTube videos. I believe you like this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.